Hello everyone friends on the Velour channel. Today I'll show you how to add your Forge modpack and shaders. For this you'll need to download all 4 of these files. Go to Optifine, click download and get the version you need. I have 2 versions, well 1.21 specifically. Click previous, view all versions for 1.21, 1.21. Here, let's download. So wait 5 seconds, then click the download button. This is the first file, you can close it. Next we need iris shaders. Let's go there. For me, of course, I need version 1.21. That's why I'm selecting it here. Well, you'll have your own version surely. We need the appropriate mod loader. In my case, it'll be Fabric. Download it. Next, we need sodium. Let's do it. Go to Files. So accordingly, we download this too. Here we specifically look for sodium. We need version 1.21. So we select Fabric, click Download, and now we need the actual shaders. It's up to you what shaders to use really. I'll be using complementary shaders. We also need version 1.21 for my setup. Nothing is updating at the moment. Here, version 1.21, that's what I need. Click Download in the new window and get complementary unbound. Or maybe you don't need it. Oh yes, this one is needed too. Complementary V. Just wait about 5 seconds for these files to download. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's all we need to do here. I'll transfer these files right away to my desktop. Here they are, these files. Now, where do we need to place them? Select your build, click on it, click the 3 dots and open the folder. Here in mods, we need to transfer our Optifine, sodium and iris jar files. Let's move them. And put these 2 files in the shader packs folder. Now just launch your build and click play. Then choose the shaders you want inside the game. This was Velour with you. Goodbye everyone.